On behalf of Scope, I welcome you all for the webinar on Learn English in Easy Way. I welcome Nagarajan Sir, Director Higher Education and CEO of Scope. I welcome Dr. A.U. Patel Sir, Advisor of KCG and the former Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University. I welcome our today's speaker, Professor Jashwant Rathod. He's the head of Department of English at Government Arts and Commerce College, Netrang in Bharuch. And I welcome Srimati Mansi ma'am, Joint CEO of Scope. I would request now Mansi ma'am to start the program. Please, ma'am.
વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો અને અનુભવો સોસાયટી એસોસિએશન ઓફ પ્રોફેશનલ્સ તો 2007માં એસ્ટાબ્લિશ થયેલી સોસાયટી છે જે શિક્ષણ વિભાગ અંતર્ગત કામ કરે છે આજ સુધી લગભગ 6 લાખ કરતા વધારે સૌની લાભ લીધેલો છે પોતાના સાથી ઘડતર કરેલું છે સ્કોપ અને કેમ્બ્રિજ યુનિવર્સિટીના એમઓયુ થયેલા છે તે અંતર્ગત સ્કોપ બે પ્રકારની એક્ઝામ લે છે સીપીટી અને લિંગ્વા સ્કિલ સીપીટી થી તમારે તમારું ઇંગ્લિશનું લેવલ શું છે જાણવું હોય તો બેસ્ટ એક્ઝામ છે અને બહુ જ ઓછી પ્રાઇસમાં જે માર્કેટ પ્રાઇસ છે એના કરતાં ઘણા ઓછા પ્રાઇસમાં સ્કોપ એટલે કે ગવર્મેન્ટ ઓફ ગુજરાત તમને ઓફર કરી રહી છે અને બીજી એક્ઝામ છે લિંગ્વા સ્કિલ એક્ઝામ છે એ 135 કન્ટ્રીઝમાં એક્સેપ્ટેબલ છે અને ગુજરાત સરકારના આટલા સારા ઇનિશિયેટિવને તમે વધારે ને વધારે એનો તમે લાભ લ્યો એવું હું ઈચ્છું છું અને આજના વેબિનારમાં પણ અંગ્રેજી આપણે વધારે સરળતાથી કઈ રીતે શીખી શકીએ એનું નોલેજ આપણને જસવંતસિંહ રાઠોડ સાહેબ આપવાના છે એમનું ટૂંકમાં હું બ્રીફ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપું તો તેઓ હેડ ઓફ ધ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ છે ઇંગ્લિશ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટના નેત્રંગ કોલેજમાં ગવર્મેન્ટ આર્ટ્સ એન્ડ કોમર્સ કોલેજના ફરજ બજાવે છે અને તેઓએ રિસર્ચ આર્ટિકલ્સ પણ પબ્લિશ કરેલા છે લગભગ 10 જેટલા રિસર્ચ આર્ટિકલ્સ એમણે પબ્લિશ કરેલા છે અને તેઓ એક બુક પણ લખેલી છે જેનું ટાઇટલ છે રીવિઝિટિંગ શેક્સપિયર સો આઈ વેલકમ જસવંતસિંહ રાઠોડ સાહેબ શ્રી એયુ પટેલ સાહેબ નાગરાજન સાહેબ આપ સૌને હું આવકારું સૌથી પહેલા હું એયુ પટેલ સાહેબને ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપીશ કે તેઓ શિક્ષણ વિભાગમાં અને શિક્ષણમાં એમને બહોળો પોતાનો અનુભવ આપેલો છે અને સિંહ ફાળો આપેલો છે તેઓ વાઇસ ચાન્સેલર ગુજરાત યુનિવર્સિટીમાં રહી ચૂકેલા છે અને હાલ તેઓ કેસીજીમાં એડવાઇઝર તરીકે કાર્યરત છે અને પોતાનો અનુભવ આપણી સાથે શેર કરશે અને વિદ્યાર્થીઓને પણ થોડા પ્રેરણા શબ્દો આપશે તો આઈ ઇન્વાઇટ એયુ પટેલ સાહેબ પ્લીઝ તમે થોડા તમારા શબ્દો વિદ્યાર્થીઓને સંબોધો સર થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ સર
Now, should I speak in English or Gujarati?
Sir, majority students are from Gujarati medium. So, yeah, bilingual.
Respected Honorable Director Sahib, Higher Education, Shri Nagarajan Sahib, Joint CEO KCG, Joint CEO Scope, Shri Mansi Shivani, our guest, and all present here. I welcome you all in this webinar. Before I share my thoughts on this program, I would like to tell you one story. The story is about elephants. When walking through an elephant camp, a man noticed that the elephants were only secured with a small rope that was tied around one ankle. He wondered why the elephants didn't break free from the rope, as the elephants were certainly strong enough to do so. He asked a trainer why the elephants didn't try to break free. The trainer responded by saying that they use the small size rope for baby elephants all the way up to adulthood. What happened? Because they were too much small when they are babies, they were babies to break free from the rope. They grew up being conditioned that the rope is stronger than they are. As adults, they think the rope can still hold them, so they don't try to break it. The moral of the story is that if you go through whole life thinking that you can't do something just because you have failed at doing in the past, you are living with a fixed mind. So if you want to learn English, first you have to break this mindset. You have to let go your beliefs in order to make the breakthrough that are required for ultimate success. In today's world, speaking English has become necessity. Moreover, with globalization of trade, commerce, and new avenues of employment in multinational companies, the importance of the fluent written and spoken English has grown immensely, being the international link language. Most of the people lack the requisite skills in the spoken and written English, while converting in different situation in day-to-day life. English is the central language for communication between countries throughout the world. Even a smallest country, if you will go, you have facility to talk with other people. So improving English skill is very necessary for everyone to increase their opportunity for gaining new ability. Furthermore, new technologies are developed, and that is also mostly in most of the countries in English language. So if you want to improve your English skill, you have to improve technology also. How can you improve your English language skills? This is the question most students ask many times. Uh, but they seriously do not follow small practicals for English to learn. Students need to learn LSRW. Very simple word, LSRW, that is listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These are the 4 points which plays important role. These four skills play acquisition of language and learning. If you want to learn Bengali, if you want to learn Telugu, you have to use this technique. The most fluent you are in English, the more interesting, exciting, and insightful conversations you can have. It enables life enriching experiences like traveling, studying, working abroad, not only in India but also many other countries where English is widely spoken. Many people struggle with LSWR skills in English, and it can seem like a real challenge to improve. Improve your grammar, practice, and more practice. Many videos are available online. Speaker on phone. If you have friends, you can talk with them. So watch English television, find a good dictionary, read newspapers daily. Uh, English writing skills can improve by writing to an English person regularly, exchange letters, emails, and chatting instant messages. Set yourself targets. How to prepare words daily, say 50 words, 30 words, and write. Keep in your pocket, read often throughout the day, so you can master this language. એટલે જુદા જુદા પ્રકારે જો આપણે અંગ્રેજી શીખવું હોય તો ખરેખર તમારે આ દરરોજ થોડી 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 પ્રેક્ટિસ કરો તો જીવનમાં તમને વધારે ને વધારે ઉત્સાહ આવશે અને અંગ્રેજીમાં એટલો બધો રસ પડશે. જાત જાતની થોડી થોડી નોવેલો વાંચશો, સ્ટોરીઝ વાંચશો નાની નાની, તો જતે દિવસે તમે એના ઉપર સરસ કમાન્ડ મેળવી શકશો. થેન્ક યુ માનસી મેડમ. તમે મને ચાન્સ આપ્યો, 2-5 મિનિટ વધારે લીધી. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.
યા થેન્ક યુ સર, થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, તમને યુ પટેલ સરે ઘણું બધું ગાઈડન્સ આપ્યું, કઈ રીતે તમે ઇંગ્લિશ ઇમ્પ્રૂવ કરી શકો, દરરોજે દરરોજ નવા વર્ડ શીખી શકો. ઘણા બધા વિડીયોઝ અવેલેબલ છે. ઇવન સ્કોપ દ્વારા પણ એવરી ડે અમે એક પોસ્ટ કરીએ છીએ ફેસબુક અને ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામમાં. તેમાંથી પણ તમે નોલેજ લઈ શકો. એવરી ડે એક નવો વર્ડ તમને શીખવા મળે. તો થ્રુ આઉટ ધ યર જો તમે આ વસ્તુ ફોલો કરશો તો 365 તમારા ટ્રેઝરમાં આવી જશે નવા નવા વર્ડ્સ. સો વી આર ધેર ટુ હેલ્પ યુ. પ્લસ સરે જે LSRW કીધું, લિસનિંગ, રીડિંગ, સ્પીકિંગ એન્ડ લિસનિંગ, આ બધી સ્કિલ્સ આપણે સ્કોપમાં પણ તમને ઓફર કરીએ છીએ. એક રાઇટિંગ સિવાયનું રીડિંગ, લિસનિંગ અને સ્પીકિંગ ત્રણેય તમે લિંગ્વા સ્કિલમાં તમારે ઇમ્પ્રૂવ કરી શકો છો અને તમારું ભવિષ્ય તમે ઉજ્જવળ બનાવી શકો છો. હવે આ વેબિનાર આપણે જે કન્ડક્ટ કરી રહ્યા છીએ એનું જેમના માર્ગદર્શન હેઠળ આ વેબિનારનું અરેન્જમેન્ટ થયું છે એવા શ્રી M. નાગરાજન સર. નમસ્તે સર, આઈ વેલકમ યુ. જેઓ ડાયરેક્ટર ઓફ હાયર એજ્યુકેશન છે અને એમના વિશે ટૂંકમાં હું તમને ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપું તો આમ તો સરને ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શનની જરૂર નથી, પણ તેઓ અરવલ્લી તથા કચ્છ જિલ્લામાં કલેક્ટર રહી ચૂકેલા છે અને પોતાની સેવા આપેલી છે. ઉપરાંત તેઓ સુરત સ્માર્ટ સિટીના CEO તરીકે પણ ફરજ બજાવી ચૂકેલા છે. સાબરકાંઠા જિલ્લા પંચાયતમાં તેઓ DDO તરીકે પણ સેવાઓ આપેલી છે. તેમના સેવાકાળ દરમિયાન રાજ્ય કક્ષા અને રાષ્ટ્રીય કક્ષાએ ઘણા નામી એવોર્ડ્સ પણ પ્રાપ્ત કરેલા છે. હાલમાં તેમના અનુભવનો તેઓ લાભ આપી રહી છે ડાયરેક્ટર ઓફ હાયર એજ્યુકેશન. તો હું નાગરાજન સાહેબને આવકારું છું અને થોડા શબ્દો આપણા વિદ્યાર્થીઓને કહે એ માટે હું વેલકમ કરું છું સર. વેલકમ સર.
થેન્ક યુ માનસી. આજના સ્કોપ અંતર્ગતના લર્ન ઇંગ્લિશ ધ ઇઝી વે વેબિનારમાં ઉપસ્થિત માન્ય એડવાઇઝર શ્રી A. પટેલ સાહેબ, આજના ગેસ્ટ સ્પીકર ડોક્ટર રાઠોડ, joint CEO Mansi ji, Deepti ji, and my dear students and teachers who have joined us across all the state of Gujarat. અમારા માટે એક ખૂબ પહેલ સારું શરૂ કર્યું છે સ્કોપ કે ઓનલાઈન મારફતે સતત આપણે જોડાઈ રહેવાનું છે અને સતત અંગ્રેજીનું જ્ઞાન મેળવતા રહેવાનું છે. આપણે સર્ટિફિકેટ કરીએ કે કોર્સ કરીએ કે ઇવન આપણે ડિગ્રી પણ મેળવીએ અથવા PhD પણ કરી દઈએ તો પણ એનું અર્થ એવું નથી બનતું કે આપણે ઇંગ્લિશમાં સારી રીતે કમ્યુનિકેટ કરી શકીએ. પણ આ બધું કર્યા વગર પણ આપણે રોજ વાત કરીએ, રોજ એના ઉપરથી થોડું થોડું પ્રેક્ટિસ કરીએ તો વી કેન ટોક બેટર ઇંગ્લિશ. અને ઇંગ્લિશ એટલા માટે જરૂરી છે કે ઇટ હેલ્પ્સ અસ ટુ કનેક્ટ વિથ અધર્સ. આપણે બીજા લોકો જોડે સંપર્કમાં રહી શકીએ છીએ અને આપણે જે વાત કરવા માંગીએ છીએ એ વાતને આપણે એકદમ સરળ રીતે અને વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે આપણે કમ્યુનિકેટ કરી શકીએ. એક્ઝેક્ટલી આપણે શું કહેવા માંગે છીએ એના માટે જે વેકેબ્યુલરી વધારવાનું છે અને કઈ સંદર્ભમાં કઈ શબ્દને ઉપયોગ કરવાનું એ બોલતા બોલતા આવડી જશે. એમાં કોઈ રોકેટ સાયન્સ નથી. આપણે જેવી રીતે ગુજરાતીમાં શીખ્યા છે એવી રીતે અંગ્રેજીમાં શીખવાનું છે. આપણે સવારથી સાંજ સુધી ગુજરાતીમાં જ બોલ્યા કરીએ અને ગુજરાતીનું વાતો આપણે મગજમાં ચાલ્યા કરે. આપણે જે વિચાર કરીએ છીએ ને એ વિચાર કરવાની લેંગ્વેજ જે છે અત્યારે ગુજરાતી છે. પણ જ્યારે આપણું અંગ્રેજીનું વોકેબ્યુલરી વધી જશે, અંગ્રેજીનું રેલેવન્સ કે કઈ જગ્યા કેવી રીતે વાત કરવાની છે એનું પ્રેક્ટિસ થોડું આવી જશે તો આપણનું જે માઇન્ડનું લેંગ્વેજ છે એ પણ થોડું થોડું ઇંગ્લિશમાં આવશે. પછી જે અંગ્રેજી ઉપરના જે આપણું એક ડાઉટ છે કે કોન્ફિડન્સની અભાવ છે અથવા એક ફિયર છે ને એ ફિયર ફેક્ટર નીકળી જશે. હું માનું છું કે ઇંગ્લિશ તો ઇઝી લેંગ્વેજ જ છે પણ આપણે એને બહુ મોટા રાક્ષસ બનાવી રાખ્યા છે. ખરેખર એવું નથી. એને આપણે તમે હેન્ડલ કરવા ટ્રાય કરશો ને પછી તમને ખબર પડશે કે એ રાક્ષસ નથી, એક બાળક છે અને તમે એને સારી રીતે હેન્ડલ કરવાથી મજા આવશે અને તમે પણ એનાથી પ્રેરિત થશો અને વધારે શીખી શકો. એના માટે અત્યારે સ્કોપમાંથી અલગ અલગ કોર્सेस આપણે શરૂ કર્યા છે, ટ્રેનિંગ પ્રોગ્રામ શરૂ કર્યા છે અને પહેલા લિંગ્વા સ્કિલ અને CPT માટે ફક્ત જે એક્ઝામિનેશન્સનું પ્રોવિઝન હતી હવે સ્કોપ ટ્રેનિંગમાં પણ ખૂબ ઊંડાણપૂર્વક ઉતરી રહી છે. એની સાથે સાથે સતત એક પ્લેટફોર્મ પૂરું પાડવા માટે બાયસેક ઓનલાઈન વેબિનાર્સ અને અલગ અલગ માધ્યમ ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ સોશિયલ મીડિયા મારફતે પણ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને સ્કોપ સપોર્ટ કરી રહી છે અને ટૂંક સમયમાં પણ લાવીને તમને સર્ટિફિકેટ કરવા માટેનું પણ પ્રયત્ન ચાલુ રહેશે. એટલે સતત જોડાઈ રહેજો અને તમે જે ટાઈમ અહીંયા પસાર કરો અહીંયાથી એકાદ વસ્તુ શીખીને એને તમારા લાઈફમાં ડે ટુ ડે લાઈફમાં અમલ કરો તો બીજા લોકો પણ એનાથી પ્રેરિત થશે. અને સંકોચ બિલકુલ નહીં રાખવાનો. ગલતી તો હું પણ કરી શકું, હું આટલી બધી ગુજરાતી બોલું છું, એમાં પણ કોઈને ભૂલ કાઢવું હોય તો ઘણી બધી ભૂલો કાઢી શકે. એવી જ રીતે હું અંગ્રેજીમાં બોલું તો એમાં ભૂલ તો આવશે, તો શું વાંધો છે? આપણે પરફેક્શનની જરૂર નથી. સામેવાળા માણસ આપણું વાતને સમજી શકે છે અને આપણે બરાબર રીતે કહી રહ્યા છે તો એનું એટલાથી કામ ચાલી જશે. એટલે આપણને આટલું બધું પરફેક્શન લેવાની જરૂર નથી, કારણ કે આ અમારું માતૃભાષા નથી. આપણનું આવડત આવી ગયું છે કે વાત કરી શકે, આટલા પૂરતું બરાબર છે. એટલે વી શુડ બી હેપી ટુ સોલ્વ અવર પ્રોબ્લેમ. આપણો પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ કરવા માટે જેટલું જોઈએ આટલું અંગ્રેજીની જરૂર છે. આપણે કોઈ આમાં જમીન આસમાન પાર કરવાની જરૂર નથી. સો લેટ અસ વર્ક ઓન ફંક્શનલ ઇંગ્લિશ. આપણને ધંધોમાં, વ્યવસાયમાં, જીવનમાં અને સોશિયલમાં અને ભણવા માટે જેટલા અંગ્રેજીની જરૂર છે આટલા પૂરતું શીખી લઈએ તો કામ પૂરું. એવી રીતના અભિગમ અને પોઝિટિવ અભિગમ લઈને આપણે આગળ વધીએ. સ્કોપ તમારા સાથમાં રહેશે અને દરેક વેબિનારમાં જોડાતા રહેજો અને તમારા મિત્રોને પણ જોડવા માટે પ્રેરિત કરશો એવી અભ્યર્થના સાથે I wish all the best to the Scope team to keep doing more seminars, and I extend a warm welcome to the guest speaker today for giving his time for the benefit of students of Scope. Thank you very much.
થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ સર. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, તમે સાંભળ્યું ને, આપણે કીધું છે કે કોઈ રોકેટ સાયન્સ નથી. ઇંગ્લિશ એ એકદમ ઇઝી વસ્તુ છે. તમે રોજે રોજ તમારા થોટ્સમાં વળી લેશો કે તમારા થોટ્સ પ્રોસેસને તમે ગુજરાતીની બદલે ઇંગ્લિશમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી નાખશો તો ઇટ વિલ બીકમ મોર ઇઝી. અને રોજ નવા નવા વર્ડ શીખતા રહેજો, વોકેબ્યુલરી એન્હાન્સ કરતા રહેજો, જે સ્કોપ તમને એવરીડે પ્રોવાઈડ કરી જ રહ્યું છે. એ સિવાય તમે ન્યૂઝપેપર્સ, નોવેલ્સ, તમને જે લાઇકિંગની વસ્તુ છે તમે શીખતા રહેશો, વાંચતા રહેશો અને સાંભળતા રહેશો તો ઇંગ્લિશ શીખવું એટલું ટફ નથી. અને આજે આપણી સાથે જસવંત સર પણ છે જે આપણને એમાં હેલ્પ કરશે કે હાઉ ટુ એન્હાન્સ અવર સ્પીકિંગ સ્કિલ્સ, કેવી રીતે આપણું ઇંગ્લિશને એન્હાન્સ કરવું.
Yes.
First of all, I sincerely thank Honorable Nagarajan Saab, Director of Higher Education. Sir, we really are motivated by your able leadership. I also thank Dr. Patel Saab. He is also one of the motivators in my life. Scope as well as very you can say great opportunities to the students of Gujarat. Right, it has widened that horizon of you can say English learning, and that's why I wish that most of the students, majority of the students take part in the programs of the Scope, as well as they get their exams and they get the training through the experts of Scope. What I expect from my students, two things. Reply when asked. Please make noise, because noise is very important in the world. Then please also share your views through comments. You can also advise, you can also recommend, you can also suggest me, because teaching is equal to learning. Learning is equal to teaching. Next, please. Yeah. See, in today's world, madam, English is a language which cannot be escaped. You cannot escape English, because it's a postmodern world. It is a post-capitalist world, and in this world, whether you can go to money market or you can go to any bazaar or you can go to any shop, you have to speak English. You have to speak English in colleges, in interviews, what not, where, everywhere. It is omniscient, omnipresent and omnipotent, and that's why we can say that it is God. Nowadays, in a postmodern world, English is God. Atra, tatra, sarvatra. Do you doubt? Do you have some doubt? Okay, take 2 minutes. Think about that you are speaking Gujarati in 2 minutes. No one can in Gujarat. No one can speak Gujarati in language Gujarati for 2 minutes. Whenever you try to speak, you will speak that I am going to college. હું college જાઉં છું. College is an English word, right? હું બસમાં બેસું છું. Bus is an English word. હું રોડ ઉપર ઊભો છું. રોડ English word છે. તારો મોબાઈલ નંબર શું છે? મોબાઈલ English word છે. So you cannot within I challenge that no one can speak in, you can say, proper Gujarati language for 2 minutes. None can, right? Because we are so much, you can say, we are so much mixed with the language, right? So what we speak? We speak Gujarati plus Hindi plus English. Next, please. And that's why, next, sir. Yeah. That's why I theorize that English is very easy. Why? Because in English, word is, in any language, but particularly in English, word is very soul of sentence. So you can start easily. Pen, please. Card, please. Book, please. You can just point out mobile, please, right? So speaking English is very convenient, very comfortable, and very easy. Next, please. Yeah, there are many words. Orders, shut up, stand up, come here, go there, open the window. Means you can just speak up without any fear, without any hesitation. You just speak up. Switch on the fan, switch off the fan, open the book. Very simple. You can simply speak English. Next, please. Next, please. Yeah. See, this is a very, from word, I am going to sentence. There are 5 words here, right? Sania, love, friend, boss, bestie, right? You can just say, you are my Sania, you are my love, you are my friend, you are my boss, you are my bestie, you are my close friend, or you are my you can say favorite student, you are my teacher. You can add many, right? You can add many words as you wish, you desire. Next, please. You are not. These are very simple sentences. You can use. See, anyone who desires, anyone who wish to speak English can use some. You are not my teacher. You are not my boss. You are not my friend. You are not my enemy. Right? You are not my classmate. So you can use many words. Next, please. See, these are the words. Water, please. When you go to any restaurant, you can say water, please. Pizza, please. Chilled water, please. You can use the words anyway, but the condition is do not hesitate. The condition is do not be afraid of. The condition is use words, use sentences without having fear of mismanaging words or mispronunciation, or you can say something, you can say a fear of speaking wrong English. Because if you speak wrong English, that can be corrected, that can be made true, right? Next. So this is a very small sentence. Could you give me pen? Could you give me your pen? Could you give me my pen? Could you give me a book? Could you give me a book? Could you give me your mobile? Could you give me your number? See, you can arrange many words. You can structure many sentences from this. Next. Book. See, a very small. Take this book, take this pen, right? Take this pencil. So will you take my picture? Big word. My God, I cannot understand, sir. I cannot say it. I may, you can say I may forget. Okay, click please. A very small word. right? Whenever you go to, you can say, go to a beautiful place, you can say to your friend, click please. It's very easy. So English, what I'm trying to prove, I'm trying to prove is that you can use some small words, and yet you are learning, you are learning English. So from small, from micro to macro, you can, it's a journey. Next please. I am allergic to junk food. You can say it. I'm allergic to my boss. I'm allergic to something. I'm allergic to mobile. I'm allergic to too much messages. So you can add anything, right? Next please. Yeah, see, you can use small compliments, and people will, you can say, oh my god, he knows English, she knows English. Thank you. Excuse me. Oh, I'm pleased. Great job. Good job. So kind of you. So these are, please learn some more compliments from Google, from any website you like to, you can say, search on, right? So you have many compliments in English. You can use it without fear. Use it in, you can say, in a smiley manner, right? Use it with your good facial, you can say, gestures. Thank you. Next please. Yeah, see, this is a very small sentence. See how English is easy. I'm trying to prove, I'm attempting to prove that English is very easy. You are right. You are my friend. You are wrong. You are good. You are lovely. You are kind. You are brave. You are alluring. You are magnetic. You are great. You are great. You are a cheat. You can use many words. Next please. See, what I want to, you can say, also convey to you, that words are like ATM. You know ATM, right? So you can store words in your mind, you can use them, you can share them. So I advise, I suggest you to utilize words, store words, build your strong vocabulary. If you have words, you can use it. If you don't have words, like money, you cannot use it. So it is said in, you can say filmi Hindi, that money hai to honey hai. So word, if there are words, there is language. You can structure language, but you cannot structure language without words. So words are very important. You must have words, you must have, you can say, vocabulary, strong vocabulary. Learn, as Patel Sahib has rightly said, learn one word per day, learn two words per day, learn new words per day, right? And let us think that, okay, this is called, you can say, uh, something in Gujarati. What should it be called in English? All right. So આને આ ગુજરાતીમાં આવું કહેવાય છે, તો અંગ્રેજીમાં શું કહેવાતું હશે? Let us find out. Let us see. Let us see its spelling. That's very important. Next, some emotions. Dr. Daud Gandhi used to say that language must be emotive, and he was my teacher. I also I add to the, you can say, statement made by Dr. Gachi. I also say that emotions are very important in learning language. So these are some, okay, ooh, ah, wow, okay, language, right? You can use it in your language, and you can impress others by using some, you can say, some words which are very emotive, some sentences which are very rhythmic, some sentences which have, you can say, flavor of some, you can say, some beautiful emotions. Next please. Next please. Yeah. Yeah, see, these are small sentences. You can, I love books, I love pens, I love numbers, I hate you, I like you, I like him, I don't like. book. Miss, I can blah blah blah. I have blah blah blah. I can't blah blah blah, and I will blah blah blah. You can, but you can just add something and make a very good sentence, and you can be very confident that oh my God, I am speaking English. Though in a small words, okay, in some small structured sentences, yes, but you are speaking. So try to speak some simple words, some simple sentences, and that will lead to you can say some bigger words and bigger complex compound sentences. Next, please. See, this is a very good sentence. I love this sentence. Your face is impressive, right? People means someone. If I will say to someone that your face is impressive, he will or she will be pleased. All right. You can use it. The file is very impressive. The book is very, you can say, impressive. Your job is very useful. I have changed that word. Right? Your job is lucrative. Your job is easy. The book is funny. All right. Next, please. See, your face inspires me. Your face inspires me. What a good sentence. You can utilize it. Right? This book inspires me. Books inspire me. My boss inspires me. My job inspires me. All right. You can add, or you can structure more sentences. Please, next, please. See, very simple sentence. You have a book, right? I have a book. You have a book. She has a book. I have a pen. You have a pen. I have a pencil. I have a friend. Very small sentences, but you can use it, and you can use it and manage try to speak some good sentences, some good English. Next, please. You have a book, you have a pen, you have a pencil, right? Yes. What I wanted to, you can say, convey to you, what I wanted to imply here is that there are many strategies of learning any language. English is easy language, and there are many strategies. If you write down in Google English speaking, right, you have multiple websites, multiple videos, multiple images, multiple documents that show many strategies, and all strategies are good. All strategies you can adopt, you can accept, you can embrace any strategy, because we want to learn, right? So for learning, every strategy is good. Means, for example, for particular A, this strategy is very, you can say, appropriate. Okay, you can use it, right? And that's why there are many ways, many resources, many teachers. Google Baba is also one of them, right? Many teachers, formal, informal, right? And there are many opportunities, particularly in Gujarat. Scope is one, right? It's a major, you can say, opportunity. You can avail that opportunity. You can train themselves, right? You can train yourselves. You can train yourselves in English, speaking English, right? So language learning is an easy task. Next, please. Next, please. Right? We have to think that we are lucky, right? Lucky. L means love for language. One must love language, because what we want to study, what we want to love, you can say, English, to acquire it. It should be your goal, right? Urge for it. You must have strong urge to acquire skills in speaking, skills in writing and reading English, right? And you must be very curious to know some more words, to know some new words, some structures. Very important. Know thyself, know your weaknesses, know your assets, know your positive points, know your negative points, know about yourselves, right? You will when you know about your drawbacks, you can correct them, you can rectify them, right? And last one, lucky. Why? Yearning for learning. See, every teacher is a student, every student is a teacher. So I'm not a big boss of English language, or I'm not a great teacher. I am just a student. So I must yearn, I must desire, right, for learning. So there must be a strong ignition, a strong desire for learning language, learning literature. Then and then only you can acquire or you can achieve your goal. Next, please. So, I for all, know thyself. Aham Brahmasmi. All right. First of all, we have to inquire ourselves. Right. First of all, for learning language, for achieving our goal, we have to inquire ourselves. We have to instigate ourselves. There should be instigation from within. Right. We must inspire. See, inspiration does not come from, you can say, any outer source. First of all, one has to be inspired within, right? So first of all, that is self inspiration must be there, right? Yeah, I can inspire you, okay, but after 1 hour, 2 hour, that inspiration might be wiped out, right? So that ignition should be there, investigation should be there, inclination should be there, interrogation with the self, what in Hinduism is called self interrogation, right? Self interrogation, that I want to achieve this goal. Who am I? Where am I? And what I am doing, right? What should be my efforts, or what should be my how should I work to achieve this, to acquire this goal, right? So invention and investigation, interrogation, inclination, right? These are very important in learning any language, right? And English is also not an exception. Next, please. Love for learning. First of all, as I said earlier, you must love language, because I think Jagdish Chandra Bose has said it fairly, that everything has its own life, and everything has its own feeling, right? Even I read one book, but I think you might have read it, The Secret, right? So everything is attracted and can be attracted. So there is something called law of attraction, right? So if you love, see, for example, if I love someone, right, so I have to take care of that person. So if you love that language, language will take care of you. So it's very mutual, right? So you have to love language, right? Then you have to be obedient student, right? You must be vital, and you must be emotionally attached, I say possessed, right, in the language or for the language, right? So you must be, so your emotions must speak the language. You must be overpowered with the emotions and use language to express, to explore, or I say to explode your emotions, right? So very important. Next, please. First one was I, second slide was love, and third slide was English, right? I love English. So a good learner of English must be energetic, he must love newness, he must set a goal. He must set a goal, she must set a goal, that I want to learn something, right? He must be live, right? Language is not for dead people. Dead people do not need language. All right. Intimation, stimulation should be there, and one must have hopes, positive hopes, that yes, one day I can speak, one day I can be a good speaker, good orator in English. Next, please. See, these are the 5 key ways to learn English. As Patel Sahab has correctly said, LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These are the 4 phases, right, of learning any language, right? So first, one has to listen. Listening is a great virtue, right? I think I should, in 2019 there was a very good film, right? And the film was titled Ashiki 2. Yeah, and in Ashiki 2 there was a very good song, and that song was Sun Raha Hai Tu Ro Raha Hu Main. Right? Do you remember that? It was, if we interpret it, that okay, a frustrated lover is singing, right? Sun raha hai tu ro raha. Okay, a frustrated, disappointed artist is singing. He is, you can say, complaining to the God. Sun raha hai tu ro raha hu main. But I also interpret it in a different way. A teacher is saying this to his or her student. सुन रहा है तू रो रहा हूं, right? So listen to your teacher, listen to your language teacher particularly, right? Use of technology, very important. Nowadays, see, it's very common. Mobile is very common. 4G is there, right? Wi-Fi is there. You can use it. You can use technology to learn, to listen. All right, listen new words, listen new videos. You can say listen, enjoy audios, very good audios. There are, you can say, there are many audios, right? Or there, know thyself, as I have mentioned, and yearning for the new, yearning, desire for the new. I must have some new words. I must have some new sentences, right? I will not talk in common sentences. I will not say that, oh, thank you. I will say that, okay, I'm greatly obliged, right? I will not say do not disturb, right? I will say do not disturb in a new mode, new way, new style. So you must encourage yourself, inspire yourself to have new style, no new mode of communication, new ways of speaking, new thinking, and new words. Accept it, invite it, embrace it, right? Explore new you can say new words from dictionaries, from videos, from audios. Explore some structures, right? You can use that structures in your common practice, in your common communication, right? For example, you can read literature. You can read literature. You can say that, okay, I am in dilemma, oh my god. Okay, you can say, it's very common. You can say, oh, interpretation, right? So without, you can say, without in place of saying, in place of saying that, oh, I'm disappointed, you can say that, oh my god, it appears that my word is crashed, right? You can use new words. All right, next please. Listening is active listening, passive listening. All right. I miss, there are, see, I have, many people, many, you can say, we know many kids, right, who actually do not know language, yet they can sing songs, right? Why? Because they have listened actively. All right, so whenever you listen consciously or semi-consciously, you acquire some words, you achieve some words, you earn some words, right? In listening, you must have some mischief. So it's not, for example, for language learning, you listen something, right? Listen actively, okay. Listen very, very meditatively. Be very alert. Oh, I'm sorry. Be mischievous, right? Please open an audio file, all right, and prepare some tea. Not to worry about it. Don't think that, okay, I'm listening. Just enjoy listening, right? Then question how question yourself that how he is speaking and how am I speaking, right? Then communication is very, very important in language learning. You must communicate with your friends, your college friends. People nowadays chat, right, in WhatsApp, but they, you can say, they write bestie, sis, bro, right? This is not this is not learning of you can say right kind of language, right? So you must write in, you can say, at least in correct English, all right? So communicate, talk with others, share your feelings with other, share your ideas with other. Talk about one topic, one particular topic. There are multiple topics wandering here and there in the air. You can pick up fun, right? How is the day now, right? Talk to someone. Oh, you have taken tea. How was it? Start talking, start speaking, start communicating. Oh, you look handsome. Then he will speak. Not to worry about you can say not to worry about managing that communication. Oh, once you tell someone that, oh my god, you look beautiful, then she will talk, she will automatically talk, right? So communication is the key to any language learning. You have to communicate, you have to be active speakers, you have to be active listeners, you have to have, you can say, one to one communication or one to group communication. Let do debates. Then use of audio visual, as I have already said. Next please. Technology, you can use online courses. Swayam is there. Government of India is also sincerely working for, you can say, for educating students of India. All right. So you have Swayam, you have Scope in Gujarat, you have YouTube. There are many videos. You can say you can listen. You can imitate, right? Audio visual instruments are there. Radio is there. Mobile is there. TV is there. Right, one can learn. See, this is not only for English. One can learn very good Hindi from Man Ki Baat. If you listen Man Ki Baat, you can learn language, right? You can, if you can if you can listen BBC News, you can learn language, English, right? Computers are there. See, that the world is you can say technologically very rich. You can utilize these technologies, right, for your, you can say, learning English program, right? Digital language labs are all there in Gujarat. Gujarat is very rich as far as colleges are concerned. In every college you have a digital language lab. You can utilize that language lab. You can use the, you can say, instruments, and you can speak to others. You can communicate with others. You can communicate with Sophia of Australia. That's very easy. Next. So these are two you can say critical points. Bennett and others asserted that the use of computer technology lead to the improvement of teachers in the classes. The use of computer technology helps teachers meet their learners' educational needs. According to Bransford, Brown, and Cocking, the application of computer technology enables teachers and learners to make local and global societies that connect them with the people and expand opportunities for their learning. They continued that the positive effect of computer technology does not come automatically. It depends on how teachers use it in their language classroom. What these people try to convey is that technology has bridged us. Technology has made a very strong connection between people of two nations, right? So as I said earlier, that you can talk with Peter, not to worry about, you can say, where he is from, right? Just enjoy your communication, right? So you can use social media, Facebook, Twitter, you can say Insta, right? For your language learning. See, most of I have experienced many students. Most of the students just use Facebook for uploading beautiful photos and get very good appreciation from friends. Oh, beautiful look. Oh, cute. That's okay. But you can also talk. You can also communicate. You can also put an idea, right? That will also increase, that will also improve your writing skill, and also skill to comprehend, skill to understand any idea, any concept. Thank you. Next, please. So, communication. If you communication is very important. So this is what I would like to convey. Talk too much. Don't be shy. In Gujarati, see, in Gujarati, there are, you can say, there are many proverbs, right? The bole tena bor vechai. Yes, right? You can have your market if you can speak, all right? And you know that every leader has his own, you can say, oratory, right? You can learn from leaders too, right? So you can also learn your from your teachers, how they speak, right? How they pronounce. That's very important. Slow down, right? So be talkative. Next is slow down. Don't expect you to able to speak as quickly in foreign language as you can in your mother tongue. Don't worry that, oh my god, I am making mistakes, I am making blunders. Very good, do it. Don't worry about your errors, your blunders. Everything is fair in language. Everything is fair in love, language, and war, as well as in literature too, right? So don't worry, be happy, and do not think that, okay, I cannot speak fluently, my dear. Okay, no one can. It's a process. After 1 year, after 2 year, after getting, you can say, some more information, after enriching your atm of vocabulary, you can speak, you can speak fluently. And what's the use of speaking fast here? Be calm, be cool. Huh? Let me give you a very good example. Uh, uh, I think, our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, he always he always speaks slowly, but he speaks in a very poetic manner, right? And we love listening him right now. So be calm, be cool, right? Learn sentences instead of words. Don't go for words only. Make frame small sentences, right? Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about, you can say, structure, grammatical structure. Oh my god, you can say I goes, chalta hai, not to worry, right? So meaning is important in spoken language, right? So listen to other. That's very important. Sun raha hai tu, you have to listen. You have to listen to your more, you can say, your teachers, your elders, the person who can speak language, right? You have to listen. In the class, sometimes people are not present, you can say, psychologically, they are not alert, right? That will not give them advantage of learning language. So you have to listen to others, listen how they speak, listen how they try to speak, right? No one is perfect in language, right? Even Americans, or you can say the British also, they also commit some blunders. So not to worry, be happy, and speak in Indian, you can say, accent. Don't worry about, oh my god, I can speak, oh my god, I can't speak like the British. Oh, don't worry, right? You are an Indian, be Indian, speak Indian, right? So speak as an Indian. Next, please. Next, please. Next, please. Yeah, ask questions. If you can ask questions, Socrates said, Socrates, the teacher of Plato, right? He said that when you ask question, you will get some wise sentences, some wise advice, some wise concepts, right? So one can improve language, right? Through interrogation, through investigation, through speaking, through asking, right? Asking is very important. Question is very important, right? How are you? He must say fine. How to do? Right? How is the pen? What's your mobile number? Very good, right? At least she will say shut up. Right? So be a teacher. Always be a teacher. When you want to when you want to learn language, be a teacher. Please be teacher. Please think that, okay, if I were a teacher, what should I do to teach my students, right? Be a learner, be a searcher. Search for new words, idioms, phrases, sentences, structures, right? Next, please. Know yourself, your assets, your drawbacks, your vocabulary, right? Because vocabulary is, as I said, it must be enriched. If you have it, you can earn language. If you have it, you can utilize language. If you have it, you can use language. Pronunciation, okay, errors, and think something untraditional. Don't go conventional way. Okay, this spelling, write down 5 times, 10 times. Not to worry. આવડે તો ઠીક, ના આવડે તો ચાલશે. But think out of box. Don't stick to some traditions that okay, આ રીતે જ ભણાય, in this way I can learn. No. There are multiple ways, and every way is right way, right? So as you can say in our Vedas, there is one, you can say there is one meaningful sentence that let all good things come from all directions. So language learning must come from all directions, not to worry about, you can say, some traditions, some stereotype thinking, right? So you can think out of box. You can utilize unconventional ways to learn language. Next, please. So new words, phrases, sentences, store in your ATM mind, right? New styles of speaking, think about them. Yup, right? Using language traditionally is a sin in postmodern days. Don't use it, right? Use some fashionable words, right? And that's why in communication, not in writing. I'm talking about oral English. I'm talking about please let me repeat it. I'm saying that use these words, unconventional, fashionable, filmy words, right, in your speaking. Don't use it in your writing, because it will harm, you can say, it will not create some good impression, right? So you cannot write cis bro, right? In you can say literature, you can say in literature, or you can say in examination, you are writing that Jennifer was her cis. No, that's not. Jennifer was her sister, right? So sis bro, dude, bestie, lol, I don't know, OMG, yeah, not K. All right, you can. So you can yearn for some new, yearn for this desire for some new, or create new words. Create new words. That's very important, right? In speaking, right? It will provide you some novelty in speaking. It will provide you in you some new energy, new flavor, new protein in you. That, oh, I say, okay, OMG, oh my God, yeah, that's very important, right? No. Next, please. So every way is right. Akasham patitam toyam yatha gacchati sagaram sarvadeva namaskaram keshavapati gacchati. So in language, everything is right. So let me remember Hamlet. though there is method, so though there is madness, there is method in it, right? So be mad, be crazy. Learning comes, learning must be your craze, right? So be crazy, राइट इसीलिए बी पॉजिटिव. नेक्स्ट, कौन कहता है कि आसमान में सुराख नहीं हो सकता? एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. सो टू ट्राई मिस अटेम्प्ट मिस it is one of the it is a statement, or it is a poetic line from one of the poets, one of the great English poets, that it is better to love and lose than not to love at all, right? So be positive, everything is possible. Impossible word में ही problem है. I am possible, right? So these are my humble suggestions. Next, the picture, it conveys itself. Don't say I can't, say I can. Interpret yourself. I can, I do it, I can do it, right? I can fly, right? Next, believe in yourself. You must believe in yourself, right? Aham brahmasmi. As in Sanskrit it says aham brahmasmi. I can create language, right? I can create my own language, right? I can use my language, right? So love language and believe in yourself. Next, please. Be untraditional, be imitative to learn. See, I have copied that. I think www.feverofshairi.com, वहां से मैंने उठाई है जी. ऑलराइट, बट इतनी सी बात पर हमारा परिचय तमाम होता है. हम उस रास्ते नहीं जाते जो रास्ता आम होता है. दिस इज नॉट रिटन बाय जसवंत राठौड़, दिस इज कॉपीड, right? But what I want to convey is copy words. What I want to convey is imitate words. What I want to convey is imitate someone's sentences, but speak it. Speak. Next, some important ways. Number one, imagine English. English must be your imagination, right? Then learn new words, obsess with it, value English. If you value English, language will also, right, react. Get entertainment from language. Yearn for new words. Overflow your emotions, because whenever we are sharing, we are exploring our powerful emotions, they come, right? We use mother tongue, definitely, right? So I feel that whenever you use English for your sharing, or for exploring, or for expressing your powerful feelings, right, then you will learn English, or then you are okay with English, right? Utilize opportunities of learning. Scope is one of them. Please, you can say, register yourself, get trained, and enjoy learning, right? So this is also मैंने इसे इतना untraditional बनाया है. See the first words, right? If you can understand, right? These are some important ways to learn any language. Next, thank you. My contact number is mentioned here. I sincerely thank my director, Sri Nagarajan Saab, Honorable Director, Higher Education, for providing me such a great opportunity. He is an able leader. He is a visionary officer, and he has conceptualized many programs for the educational development of Gujarat. All right. I sincerely thank AU Patel Sahib, the advisor of KCG. All right. KCG is really a consortium of knowledge. All right. I sincerely thank Mansi Shivani ji. She is esteemed joint CEO of KCG. We will look forward, ma'am, Government Arts and Commerce College, Netrang. On behalf of my college, I promise that we will support your future ventures. Let me also inform you that, ma'am, that my college has successfully organized 54 webinars and 2 international conferences during this lockdown period. It's a teamwork. We can say we rocked right in during this lockdown period, and we have made pandemic pan academic. All right. I also sincerely thank Dipti ji and your team of KCG technicians and all. I also sincerely thank my principal, Honorable GR Yogesh Bhai, Jasri Ben, and Sanjay Bhai, Mahesh Bhai, Harshit Bhai, my technician, and all the team of GACC
Namaste.
Netrang. Thank you so
તો
much.
પછી
So kind
proposal
of you.
આવી નહીં.
Thank you, sir, for teaching our students the easiest way or easiest techniques to learn the English. Now, I'm thankful to CEO of Scope, Nagarajan sir, who gave us an opportunity to organize this webinar. And thank you, sir, to encourage the students to learn English. As sir said, if you have a positive attitude towards the English, it would become very easy to learn for you. So you should have a positive attitude towards the English. You need to create that positive attitude first of all. Then I'm also thankful to Dr. A.U. Patel, sir, advisor of KCG. Thank you, sir, to inspire all these students to learn English. As sir said, if you learn one new word every day, then you can build up your vocabulary, and you can add a new words in your dictionary, we can say. By Scope, every day on our Scope Facebook page, we are posting a one new word. So you be with us on our Facebook page. Go through the Scope Facebook page link so that you can learn one new word every day. And as sir said, you not only focus on a one particular component, but you need to focus on all 4 components of English, that is LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Scope organizes in association with Cambridge University the exams like Lingua Skill and CEPT. So please appear in the exam, and you can check your knowledge and you enhance the English, and which will be very beneficial to you in the future to build up the career in English. Anywhere you go into the organization, definitely it would be very beneficial and very helpful to you. So be with us in your in the Scope Facebook page. Now I would like to thank to the speaker of today, Dr. Jaswant Rathod sir, who spent his precious time and shared his knowledge, and he taught us the easiest techniques and the ways to learn English. And I'm also thankful to our joint CEO, Mansi ma'am. Without her constant support, we cannot make this program successful. Last but not the least, definitely, I'm also thankful to all the participants who joined with us. Kindly fill up the feedback form. It is there in the comment box and also in our Scope FB page. Go through the Scope FB page daily. You can learn something new. Our all ongoing program and upcoming program, we are posting it on a Facebook page, Scope Facebook page. A link is also we have mailed in your when you have registered with us. In your revert mail, we have sent that Facebook link. So you go through with our website and our Facebook page. You can have all the information. Thank you all. Join with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
જસવંતભાઈ બહુ સારું આપ્યું તમે
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
અને બહુ એક એક વર્ડ સમજાવીને સરસ રીતે અત્યારે અંગ્રેજી કાચું છે વિદ્યાર્થીઓનું, એટલે બહુ સરસ માર્ગદર્શન આપ્યું તમે. નાના નાના વર્ડ્સ કેવી રીતે તૈયાર કરવાને, ગુજરાતીમાં પણ તમે અંગ્રેજી વગર ચલાવી શકતા નથી. બહુ સારું આપ્યું. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.
Thank you, sir. So kind of you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.